So I make a copy of the triangle. Now I'm going to flip it. Okay, so this is the same triangle, the same copy of the triangle, but only flipped. And now I'm going to glue it to the first copy of the triangle. So we see that when we copy the triangle and flip it and connect it to the first copy of the triangle, we get a rectangle. And we know that the area of a rectangle is the base times the height. Okay, so base times the height gives us the area of both the triangles, but we only need to calculate one of them. So we divide it by 2, base times the height divided by 2, because we have two identical triangles. So if we divide the area of the rectangle, which is combined from these two copies of the same triangle, divided by 2, we get the area of one of these triangles. Okay, so the area of a triangle is the base times the height divided by 2, and it gives us the area of a triangle. So now let's do the practice. Area of right triangles. Okay, so let me copy the question to the board. What is the area of the triangle? Okay, so we see that the right triangle is here, so it means that this is the base and this is the height, or we can also see this is the base and this is the height. It's same thing, and it won't affect the calculation of the area. Okay, so we know that the area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2, which I have just illustrated, and we therefore multiply the base, which is 6, times the height, which is 8, and divide it by 2. So 6 times 8 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is 24. So the area of this triangle is 24 squared units. Okay, what is the area of the triangle? So we see the right triangle here, which means that this is the base and this is the height. If we flip the triangle, this 7 can also be the base and the 4 can be the height. But in our case, we multiply the base times the height and divide by 2, because the area of the triangle is the base times the height divided by 2. So to calculate the area, we multiply the base. Let's say that the base is 4 times the height, which is 7, and divide it by 2. So 4 times 7 is 28, divided by 2, which means that the area is 40. Okay, what is the area of the triangle? So again, we have the right angle here, so it means that this is the base and this is the height, or this is the base and this is the height. In our case, we need to multiply 12 by 5, So the area is base times height divided by 2, the area of the triangle. And so we multiply 12 by 5 and divide it by 2. 12 by 5 times 5 is 60. 60 divided by 2 means that the area is 30. What is the area of the triangle? Okay, so the right angle is here. So this means that this is the base and this is the height, or this is the base and this is the height. Okay, so the area is base times height divided by 2. So we know that the base is 3, the height is 4, or vice versa, and we divide it by 2. So the area is 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 2 means that the area is 6. Good. So in the next video, I will do this practice, area of triangles. So I will see you in the next video.